Hi guys, today I'm going to do a video on this Simoniz 2700 PSI gas pressure washer. We got it from Canadian Tire this spring, and I noticed there weren't any videos on it from buying it ahead of time, and I know a lot of people like to check something out or look at reviews and find out how well something works before they buy it. So I'm going to make a video today and show you guys what this one's all about. It has a 5.5 horsepower, 173cc 4-stroke engine, overhead valve. It's almost like the Hondas, but it is not. It's their generic brand. Real easy to start. There's no primer. You just turn the choke there and pull, and that's it. Right out of the box, it started first pull and it runs great. It even came with a foam blaster that you can attach to the wand there for washing your vehicles, doing touchless car washes at home. Easy to assemble. Then you just add your own gas and oil. Takes regular 10W30. So I'll set up the camera here and start it up and show you how it works. So I got the garden hose connected and turned on. So first I just squeeze the trigger and let the air go through, prime the pump. And once all the air is out, you can go ahead and start it. So to start it, you just turn the choke on and give it a pull. Okay, so I did half the stairs here, give you guys an idea of what this thing can do. You can see the difference there, and I did the entire top surface there, but you can see on the lower steps that Definitely gets all the dirt off. And that's without using any chemicals at all. No soap. Just the washer. So you can see it does a great job. I definitely recommend this product. So that's it for the review of the Simoniz 2700 PSI gas pressure washer. If you find this overview helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.